Welcome to our exploration of ChatGPT, an advanced language model designed to engage in natural conversations and assist users in various tasks. In this video, we'll dive into the capabilities of ChatGPT and discover how it's revolutionizing human-computer interactions. ChatGPT, powered by OpenAI's cutting-edge technology, is an AI language model that can understand and generate human-like text based on the input it receives. Whether it's answering questions, providing recommendations, or engaging in casual conversation, ChatGPT excels at understanding context and delivering relevant responses. One of the key features of ChatGPT is its versatility. It can assist users in a wide range of tasks, from answering trivia questions and solving puzzles to offering personalized recommendations and providing creative writing prompts. Its ability to adapt to different contexts and styles of conversation makes it a valuable tool for both individuals and businesses alike. ChatGPT offers several benefits, including increased efficiency, productivity, and accessibility. By automating repetitive tasks and providing instant responses to inquiries, it frees up valuable time and resources for users to focus on more meaningful activities. Additionally, its natural language processing capabilities make it accessible to users of all backgrounds and skill levels. The impact of ChatGPT extends beyond individual interactions. It has the potential to revolutionize customer service, education, content creation, and more. Its ability to generate coherent and contextually relevant text opens up new possibilities for human-AI collaboration and creativity. In summary, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that is reshaping the way we interact with technology. Whether you're looking for assistance, information, or inspiration, ChatGPT is here to help. Join the conversation and experience the future of AI-powered communication with ChatGPT. And that concludes our exploration of ChatGPT. We hope you've gained a deeper understanding of its capabilities and potential. Thanks for watching.